Hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm going to be talking about the Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate and Glow Oil. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. It's a clean skincare line, and that's important when I'm shopping. I want to make sure that my skincare is not only good for my skin, but good for the environment. First of all, it's super fast absorbing, flash absorbing, if you will. Some oils just sit on your skin all day and make you look kind of greasy. Not this one. It absorbs super quick. And it's also got this incredible formula. It's made with this blend of antioxidant-rich berries, including the Maqui berry, which they say is the most antioxidant-dense berry in the world. But it's also got açaí and goji. What's good about antioxidants is that they're brightening, they help protect your skin against environmental stressors, and as someone with freckles, that's super important to me. And lately I've also been tapping it on the high points of my face, kind of like a glowy, slick looking highlighter, and that's been cool too because I love me a multitasking beauty product. Thanks for hanging out and checking out the Superberry Hydrate and Glow Oil. I hope you like the product.